Aussie Marcel here. Before I get into today's video, I just wanted to ask you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscribe button down below. It really does help me out and it means the world to me. So, in saying that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks for watching. What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel and in today's video we're going to be looking at the brand new Jacques Bogart men's fragrance Infinite Silver. Silver scent Infinite Silver. The men's Bogart fragrances are some of the most slept on the market. Silver scent, Club 75, One Man Show Oud Edition. The list goes on and on. These fragrances perform well, are solid compliment getters, and they usually will cost you under $40 Australian. I mean, I found One Man Show on eBay for 25 bucks. I got Club 75 for $15 at Priceline, and Silver Scent can regularly be found between $25 and $40. I would recommend it at the lower end of that price range though. Silver Scent is an absolute icon. Smells like fabric softener, and it also has a grape soda vibe. Well, grape Fanta if you're here in Australia, but grape soda. It smells fantastic, very clean, appropriate for the colder months. So in weather like we've got here in Victoria at the moment, it's very cold, you know, it's barely getting past 10 degrees. Great cold weather fragrance. But today, this is all about the new one, Infinite Silver, and you can see right here it is highly concentrated according to the packaging. So let's take off this plastic wrap and dive into the fragrance. I can't wait to smell it. I'm predicting it's going to smell just like the rest of the Silver Scent flankers, so it's going to be about 90% Silver Scent, and there's about a 10% difference between each of them. It's minor, but it's noticeable enough if you pick one of them up. My recommendation as far as Silver Scent goes is the Intense. It has a rose note and there's a touch of synthetic oud as well. Although I don't think it smells like oud, I think it's just sort of like synthetic wood, but there we go. Packaging I think is alright. Presentation reminds me a lot of fragrances from like the early 2000s. Chrome, sleek, minimal, black accents. Here we go, atomizer. Solid as per usual. Can't smell it just yet, so I'll put it on my hand. Oh wow. This is the least like Silver Scent of all the Silver Scent flankers I've smelled. I'm actually blown away by how little this reminds me of the classic Silver Scent. Citrus, it's aromatic, maybe a touch of clean musk. This is going to be very popular. I can't quite put my finger on what fragrance this reminds me of. I'm not gonna say, maybe it's Invictus. I don't think it's a clone of Invictus, so don't worry if you don't like the Invictus DNA. Yeah, this is nice. This smells almost nothing like the other Silver Scent fragrances that I've smelled. So if you aren't a fan of that fabric softener or grape soda vibe, I would recommend this one above all of them, hands down. This was in the $35 to $40 price range at Chemist Warehouse. The fragrance itself is quite nice. It's on the fresher side. It's going to be more appropriate for the warmer months as well as the cold. So expect this to be quite versatile. You can dress this one up, you can dress it down. This is going to be quite popular. If this gets into enough hands, this is going to be one of those hidden gems of 2022. I truly believe that. It smells fantastic, and just like with the rest of the Bogart fragrances, this is going to perform great as well. One spray on my hand and it is very strong, so use caution when applying this, but the same can be said for the rest of the Silver Scent fragrances. I'm actually curious what the listed notes are, so I'm going to look that up quickly. Silver Scent Infinite by Jacques Bogart, woody, iris, white floral, amber, powdery, citrus, vanilla. Definitely get vanilla. ozonic, aromatic, sweet. Top notes of violet leaf, lemon, and cinnamon. I don't get a lot of cinnamon. Middle notes of orange blossom, orris, geranium, lavender. Base notes of labdanum, vanilla, cedar, and patchouli. Yeah, this is a great fragrance. Highly recommend this one. If any of my viewers have tried this one yet, let me know in the comments below, as I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.